If you are worried about the battery life on the Pixel 7 Pro, then stop. Don't be worried about, because the initial number of the Pixel 7 Pro are quite surprising and exciting, since these things last fairly long. If you don't have the busy day with your Pixel 7 Pro, it can last even 2 days. The test that has been released by YouTube, which is while using your camera for 22 minutes, includes some gaming and Twitter session. And to my surprise, this thing lasted for a full day, and at the end of the day, it lasted for 49%. Mostly we have seen that the screen on time use more battery, while Pixel 7 Pro gives a 3 hour and 43 minutes on screen on time using throughout the day, which means that this thing will give you a better screen on time than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is amazing. Now, most of the people complained about the Pixel 6 Pro battery last year when it was launched, but later Google fixed the issues with some software updates. Thankfully, the Pixel 7 Pro is already a beast in the battery backup, although both of these shares the same battery of 5000 mAh. This matters to most people, but for some it's not going to be an issue. The thing that is matter here is the Google Pixel 7 Pro charging speed, because it's going to be coming with the same 20-watt fast charging. This thing charged pretty well, even though Google put a 30-watt fast charging support. The Pixel 7 Pro charging goes up to 20% in just 10 minutes, and in 30 minutes it goes up to 56%, which means in half an hour you can charge your device up to 56%, whereas in 60 minutes it goes up to 83%. Which is a good thing because it's using the 20-watt charging. So I think using a similar charger will keep the battery safe and healthy for a long time. And one quick suggestion, try to charge your phone between 90 and plug in before 20. This will keep your phone battery safe, and battery on the Pixel is really good. But the thing to note here is how this is going to be possible that it is lasting longer than the Pixel 6 Pro. Well, basically the magic is behind the efficient processor, the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset that is coming in the Pixel 7 Pro, which is going to be power efficient, and it's going to be bringing some performance gain in less power, which is amazing. Now, to be honest, this chip is not going to be a big upgrade because it's going to be pretty much same as the last year chip. There is some performance bump in some areas like in machine learning and the GPU performance. Where now, as far as the hardware changes, it is going to be same. There is no big improvement in there, but when it comes to software, there are certainly some improvements and changes you will find out. It including a new cameras and the new 48 megapixel telephoto lens, which can go up to 30 times digital zoom for compared to the last year generation Pixel 6 Pro. Also, the new ultra wide sensor bring the new autofocus, which helps pixels to take the macro shots quite easily. Amazing. If you want to see the 30x zoom on the Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys should check this video. I will see you in the next time. Peace out.